Hello there, what is up? I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I am Teresa, and on my channel we share a little spark of life each and every video. And today's video is a video that I especially look forward to every single month, and that is a TheraBox unboxing. The TheraBox is a monthly subscription box. It is within that wellness self-care category. Each box comes with full-size items plus one happiness boosting item. TheraBox does cost $34.95 per month, and it does promise at least $120 worth of retail value. Now, of course, that value does go up depending on the month, depending on what is in the box. I feel like we just sat down together and unboxed a TheraBox together. I don't know where all that time went, but we have another one, and it's right here. I do remember that last month's came quite damaged from the mail. I'm sure not TheraBox's fault, but this one is nice and pristine. TheraBox does put their boxes rather in an outer packaging, so if you do want to hold on to the box and like store things, sort of multi-purpose your boxes, you definitely can. So yeah, I was not expecting this to show up at my doorstep, and like TheraBox does send out emails, and whenever I went back and looked to see like, oh, this has been shipped, I definitely got that email, but yeah, had no earthly clue, completely bypassed me. So everything in this box is a complete surprise to me, down to the theme, because apparently we shot straight through a month, and like I couldn't get it. I could not remember that month. I mean, I remember the month, but the month just went by really quickly. Anyway, so this shipped out the last week of July. Therefore, I think, if I have my math correctly, which is not like usually correct, but anyway, I think that this is July's box. Let me stop rambling. Let's open the box together. All right, so the card just dropped, but here is what your TheraBox looks like whenever you open it. It is always like a nice little package. And this box theme is Rise and Shine. Inside of this booklet, you have a write-up about the box, as well as ways to review the box and all of the items that are in the box, plus the retail value. I am going to put this aside. Don't worry, at the end of the video, we are going to add up what the retail value of this box is. I'm going to take a little peek though. This says that this month's box value is over $180. So let's see exactly what adds up to over that $180 retail value. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is a hair product. I'm not exactly sure if this would be something that would do really well with my hair. Pulling out is a hair product from Up Top, and it is a set of 2 head wraps. These are really cute. It's white with a black, almost like stamped floral print, and similarly the same print, or a similar print rather, it looks like some daisies on a blue headband. Oh, so it is like TheraBox was reading my Google search, because this is for heel pain. This is from Soul Insole. Let me double check. Yes, this is from Soul Insole. The way that the logo looked like kind of confused me slightly. And this is a shoe bubble Pro Light orthotic insole. So I'm reading the back. This sticks firmly in your shoe, but is also transferable to other shoes. It is washable and reusable, and helps for plantar fasciitis, I think is how you pronounce it, ball of foot and heel pain, which I do have some heel pain currently. So yeah, definitely going to use this. Hopefully it will help. Ooh, this is shiny. Oh, I've received products from this brand before, and I always feel like I'm horribly mispronouncing their name. Amena, I think. It is Shiny Girl Shimmer Oil, and you mix it up. It has 24 karat gold in here. It just looks like a body oil that, yeah, the gold was stuck to the side, and I mixed it up. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh. It's not like I have many places to go looking all shimmery, but I might put some on my collarbones for upcoming videos. I just want to be shimmery and shiny for around the house. Let's see like what consistency this is. And I'll put it, I'll put it on my hand. I know that's clean, I just washed it. All right, so it is coming out. It feels like a facial oil actually, that has gold flecks in it, which maybe is what it is. Okay, this is nice. This is just giving like a subtle sheen to my skin, and the camera is not picking it up at all, but it does have a little bit of a gold sheen to it, which is nice. I find that some shimmery body lotions and body oils are just pretty much like glitter chucked in, and like you like that. Ooh, it's It's citrusy, it smells fantastic. Anyway, getting back to my point, if you like rockin' body glitter, you do you, boo, but I just don't. It reminds me of like when I was growing up and with like those, do you remember that like, it was like a glitter stick that you pretty much just like rolled all over you? Yeah, that's why I usually stick away from body shimmer products, but this is not that at all. This has just a nice little sheen to it. All right, so in addition to real 24 karat gold shimmery dust, this has fresh natural ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, and argan oil. This smells fantastic. I love it. So this is something that I am definitely going to be passing on to somebody because my tum-tum does not like this. It is a can of, let me read correctly, raspberry dragon fruit organic kombucha. So this is supposed to be good for you. It has a lot of probiotics, but too many probiotics makes me a very sick person. Definitely passing this along to somebody else. Oh my God. So I'm fascinated by things that fold up into smaller things. So like at Dillard's, I would always see like in the luggage section, because I go and I look at luggage, you know, on the reg. It's just something that I do. But they have a camping section, or yeah, it's a very small like camping backpacking section really is what it is, not so much camping. And I want to purchase everything within that section. They have a blanket in that section, not in this box, complete tangent, but they have a blanket that folds up. It's supposed to like cover for full-grown people, but it folds up in order to fit in your pocket. And that fascinates me. And this is one of those things. This folds small, and like this is a backpack in here. I'm an easily fascinated person. Don't get me wrong, but that's really cool. That is really cool. So this is a backpack. I think it is supposed to be for travel. It references that. It is designed for everyday use. It's a foldable backpack that fits perfectly in your purse. The backpack is perfect when you need extra compartments on the go. Wow, when I start traveling again, this is from Zonia, by the way. When I start traveling again, I am definitely going to pack this in my things. Oh, it folds into itself. Holy cow. I was expecting it to like be in the pouch. No. The pouch is the backpack. All right, there we go. Bam. It's a backpack. Yeah, this is cool. If this would have been the only thing in the box, I think I would have been like thrilled for that. So it has two mesh pockets on the side that you can hold a water bottle with. It has an outer packet. It has an outer zip pocket as well as just one big pocket. It seems like, I'm not exactly sure if this would be a waterproof thing, but it seems pretty water resistant / it would dry really easily if it got wet. All right, let's see. Can I fold this back up? Let's see. I think I got it. Whoa, that was not difficult at all. I feel like that would make an interesting YouTube video. It's like exciting and frustrating at the same time to get a whole bunch of things that fold up into themselves or fold into like small portions and like have people try to redo them, like put them back into their original positions. All right, and there we go. It folded back up. That didn't take me long at all, but of course I was not going to make you like sit there and like watch me, like sit through watching me do that, because for me it was exciting. For you it was would have probably been really boring. But right now on the screen, I will let you know how much time I actually edited out getting the backpack back into the pouch. Super cute. Thanks, TheraBox. All right, so we have a face product here, and it's a product. I love receiving face products that you can use over and over again. So I guess it wouldn't be so much a face product as a face tool. There you go. Correct words, Teresa. Use them. So this is from Pivotal, and it is facial globes. So it is facial cooling globes. All right, so they can be used on their own or with serum or while doing a facial sheet mask. Ooh. Okay, you place the globes in the freezer for 20 minutes prior to use. So it's a set of 2. So do you do them at the same time? Is that what you do? You just roll them on your face together? Oh my gosh. Okay, well this is what it looks like. I think I'm afraid to like shatter it, but I guess if it goes in the freezer, there you go. Had to get one out to get them both out. These are interesting. I was not expecting them to have liquid. I see these all over my Instagram feed, but yeah, they always just look like solid, so I did not expect them. Let's just, ooh. Okay, so just touching them, and they've been, you know, just sitting, chilling in my living room. These are cool to the touch, so I am sure that they're going to be wonderfully cooling after they've been in the freezer for 20 minutes. Well, I thought that we only had the happiness boosting item last. I always save that for last, by the way. But we have another self-care product. It is from Minimo. It is Minimo Bounce Watermelon Under Eye Cream with watermelon extract. I actually love, I'm gonna have to like actually see what it does, like watermelon in your skincare. But I love watermelon in my skincare. I find that it like really does do something. Like it just like generally makes my skin look fresher than it actually is. All right, so this is just relieves puffiness under the eyes while promoting skin regeneration. Let's give it a little smell test. Okay, so it came with an outer plastic thingy, outer plastic ring, let's be technical, and then one of these doodads. It smells lightly of, and I'm not going to like dip my fingers into them because I haven't washed my hands since I've started this unboxing, but it smells lightly like watermelon. It doesn't smell like they just put like some sort of like watermelon extract fake scent to make it smell watermelon-y. It just smells really nice and fresh. I am really looking forward to trying this. My current depuffing under eye cream that I switched up and I was like, oh, let me try this new one. It's not working. It is not working at all. So a little disappointed in that, but excited to try this one from Minimo. All right, and our happiness boosting activity is SelfCare Surprise. It is a scratch off activity book. Well, that's fun. I am not actually going to scratch these off because I have a friend who could really, really use this right now. And so I'm gonna pass this along to her. However, like this is what it looks like. I have a category and it's pretty much just like a scratch off, like lottery ticket or scratch off thing that you would get from the store. And you just scratch it off and it gives you an activity. That is super cute. I'm going to let you know what the retail value of everything in the box was, add it on up for you, and let you know what the total retail value of this month's TheraBox was. So we're going to start with our self-care item. This is our SelfCare Surprise scratch off activity book from the Happy Shop, and this has a retail value of $9.99. Koi Organic Kombucha Raspberry Dragon Fruit has a retail value of $2.50. Our hair accessories, the Up Top Daisy Head Wraps set of 2 has a retail value of $19.99. Our Zona Camo Foldable Backpack, I didn't realize this was supposed to be a camo print. It's a cute camo print, but anyway, it has a retail value of $20. Minimo Bounce Watermelon Eye Cream has a retail value of $13.95. Oh my goodness. See, this is what happens when I unbox things without actually looking through. There was a product that I completely missed out on. It was a tiny product. It is from Zskin. It is from Z-Skin, and it is Simply Sundown, a burn relief / bug repellent. We received a Z-Skin product. It was a mattifying product in the last month's TheraBox, and I love it. I've been using it as a primer. So I am excited to see what this one is like. So the picture in here has a full-size product, and what was in my box I would assume is not a full-size product because this is only 1 fluid ounce. And yeah, so this is only 1 fluid ounce and it looks nothing like the actual item. Let me look online. Okay, yeah, so online there's 2 options on their website. I do not know how much, but there is a full-size one that retails for $21, but then they also sell, oh no, this is the full-size one. My apologies. So this is the full-size one. At 1 fluid ounce. There's just 2 different, it looks like this one's more compact with the other one, but yeah, so this has a retail value of $21. The Sole Insole Shoe Bubble Pro Light Orthotic Insole has a retail value of $25.99. Amena Skincare Shiny Girl Shimmer Oil has a retail value of $34.99. Our 2 Pivotal Facial Cooling Globes have a retail value of $35. So adding all of that up together, the Rise and Shine themed TheraBox has a retail value of $183.41. This was a month that I found, if I'm going to be completely honest with you, I sort of found odd like curation, but I just have slight issues. It's just a personal preference with me. Like, I know that subscription boxes are not supposed to be like one size fits all. Like, obviously I love subscription boxes because they introduce new things into my life. But I have an issue, kind of an issue, like a low-key issue, I would say, when subscription boxes, unless it is a food subscription box, when they include food and drink items, unless it's like teas or something like that, that's because I have a lot of food allergies and a lot of food intolerances. So like for me, like that's something like, I know that that's just like a beverage, but that is something that I am not going to get any use out of. Like, I'm going to put it like in the teacher's lounge and whoever wants it, like, it's up for grabs. But also anytime, I love hair care products, but anytime a subscription box includes hair products, because I've had long hair, I've had shorter hair than this, and I don't know. I'm not a fan whenever like barrettes are included, or like a hair styling tool, or like a hair accessory, just because not everyone can wear the items or use the items, and not everybody who gets the box has hair. So those are sort of my only two like with this theme. But I do have to say, overall, I still love TheraBox as a subscription box. I am definitely still looking forward to seeing what they come up with in future boxes. If you want to see, like, if this is your first time that you were like, ooh, TheraBox, let me click on that, and you clicked on this video and you want to see other TheraBox unboxings, I will link down below in the description box all of my past boxes that I have unboxed on this channel from this subscription. Also in the description box there will be a link if you want to find out more information about TheraBox and or subscribe to the box. Feel free to use that link to do so. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and ring that bell. It would help me out tremendously. I upload Disney-centered videos on Wednesday and definitely upload lifestyle videos on Friday. Sometimes do on Mondays, just depending on my schedule. But yeah, hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell will definitely make sure that you get notified any and every time that I do upload videos. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.